Illinois Track and Field Association, the ITPA. So this guy does very well. Here's your pull distance now for Mike Linder, 230.20, 230.20 for Mike Linder. So Tim Kane's still good there and running in the 4th spot here this evening. So on the line we go with Philip Hirsch. Once again, I want to thank his family for the nice gifts they gave me tonight. It's very, very nice and really strong for their county pools, and I certainly appreciate that. Cancer.com. So man, I just appreciate it so much. It's really nice that they did that with me. It's very, very touching.